How do I change my Delonghi Penguino from Fahrenheit to Celsius on air conditioner? I have the 3-in-1 version.
Do you know the model of your Delonghi AC unit? When did you last replace the air filter?
Replaced last week. But I moved it to another location, plugged it in. It shows Fahrenheit. I like the Celsius reading.
How long has this been going on with your Delonghi air conditioner? What have you tried so far?
Just one night. It happened yesterday, when I moved it over to clean around it.
Is there anything else the HVAC tech should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
ID model is X290LN3ABK. It works. I only want to change the temperature reading option.
My name is I am happy to assist you today. Heating and air conditioning has been my specialty for 46 years, so not much I can't solve if given the opportunity. Please acknowledge each of my replies even if you are unable to perform a certain task I ask you to, or if you are hoping for a different answer. Together I believe we can solve this and find the best solution for you. I am working on several projects, so allow a few minutes for me to reply between our correspondence. You will also be receiving a live phone call offer. The offer is optional. You can accept the offer or ignore it. I am not always available to talk on phone, so it may be another expert who you talk to. Meanwhile, we can continue here as long as needed. Let me grab a manual.
Okay.
Turn unit off. Then press and hold the mode button for about 20 seconds. It should change.
It does. But it displays now default back to Fahrenheit. So I will retry again. Never mind. Frustrated.
My pleasure. Below is a link to the manual should you ever need it. https://www.manualslib.com/download/9037662/DelonghiPortableAirConditioner.html.
The information you gave, I appreciate it. But for my model Penguino Pace X290 Lane 3ABK, it doesn't work for this model. So yes. You were rated well for your response and answer. However, it doesn't apply to the older version Delonghi Portable AC that I have.
Did you figure it out yet?
Thanks.
Excellent.
Welcome. 5S. 5 stars.
No need to reply, as I have to reply each time you do, and thanks again.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.